Are you and your family prepared for a local emergency like an earthquake or wildfire? Some of us have a plan in mind, but what about a plan for our other family members? ReadyOC encourages families to create an emergency kit for their pets. An emergency kit includes food, water, medicine, important documents, sanitation products, and even some toys or a familiar blanket to help reduce the stress. Building your pet's preparedness kit with the family is an excellent time to also talk to your kids about an evacuation plan and assign responsibilities in case of an emergency. Practicing your evacuation plan makes everyone in the family more comfortable and familiar with the process in the event of a disaster or emergency. Don't forget to sign up for ReadyOC too. More than 3 million residents can be reached in a moment's notice in case of an impending disaster. It's easy to sign up, it's free, and it's completely private. So easy that even Spot can do it, as long as there is a treat involved. To get your family prepared, go to ReadyOC.org.